W with MRMIKE.
Hey everybody, it's Mr. Mike. Today we are going to draw a koala bear. Now to draw this koala bear, we only need 4 basic lines and shapes. An oval, an arc, a line, and a U. Are you ready to see how this all fits together? Let's start off with an oval that will be the koala bear's nose, and that will go right around here. So just draw an oval right about here. And then we'll put all the features of the koala bear around the nose. So next we're going to add 2 more ovals. And those will be the eyes. 1, 2. Now remember, if you need to pause this video at any point to catch up, just pause it and then join back in with us. Okay, next we're going to add a line. Right here it'll be a diagonal line like that. And then we're going to add an arc. Start on this side and we'll go halfway into the line like this. And that will be the koala bear's mouth. Now you can color that shape in right here, just like that. And you can color in the eyes too. Let's do that. Let's color in the eyes. Okay, next we're going to draw an arc right about here. And then we'll have a line come down and then do another arc like this. And that's going to be the top of the koala bear's head. Next we'll add another arc right here, and now we're getting into the ears. So do an arc there, and we'll have a line come down, and then we'll add another arc, and then a line, and then another arc, just like that. Now you see, adding these arcs and lines, it makes it look like our koala bear is like a fuzzy, furry creature. So we have an arc and a line, and it looks like a little tuft of hair there. So we're going to do the same thing, and we're going to do the inside of the ear. We'll do an arc, then a line down, and then we'll do another arc, and then stop. So just like that, we've got a whole ear there. Now we're going to continue with the side of the face. So we'll add an arc, start over here, right here, and we're going to add an arc. It's going to go over. So we'll just go over like this, and then stop. And we'll have a line come in, and then we'll do another arc like this, and then a line come in, and then we'll have another arc come down. Just around there, and that'll be the bottom of the head there, the chin area. So on this side, we're going to do the other ear. So let's have an arc come up this way and stop with a line that comes down. And then we'll have another arc come over with a line that comes over, like that. Almost said down. And now we're going to add another arc that finishes the shape of the ear. Now on the inside of the ear, we'll do another arc, a line, and then we can just have this one swoop all the way around just like that. Starting here, let's add another arc. We're going to finish off the head, arc with a line, and then another arc. And that's the full head of the koala bear. And we can add in, remember that U shape I talked about at the beginning of our lesson? We're going to do an upside down U, and then one more smaller one right there. And that looks like little bits of hair that are in the ear. And we'll do the same thing over here. It'll be an upside down U and an upside down U, just like that. This koala bear is looking pretty cute. All right, next we're going to add in an arm. So let's have an arc go over And then we're going to do a series of lines. So we'll do a line here, and then another line, and then another line, and then another line, just like that. And now we're going to add in another arc. It comes across, just like that. And we have the arm. This koala bear is grabbing onto a tree. So let's add in, we're going to add in a little part of the hair right on the belly here. So let's see, there's like a furry belly. Let's do an arc here with a line up and then another arc. And then we'll do another line up. And then we'll do a similar thing on this side. It'll be going the other way. We'll do a small arc with a line up, a small arc with a line up, and then you can just do a line down like that. It's kind of hard to see how this all fits together, but you'll see right now we're going to add in a leg. And we're going to start right here at this line. And we're going to just have a line connect to that and go across and stop. Now you can see where the belly is and where the next leg is, where the leg is going to be. So now we're going to do the same thing where we did the claws up here. We're going to do them down here. So we'll do a line down and then over, and then down, and then over like that. Now we're going to add another arc that will go right there. This is looking good. Now let's add a line here with another arc that comes around. Now we're going to do the back of the koala. We'll do a line down, and then we'll have another arc come up this way, and then a line down, and another arc come up to the head. And that is the koala bear. Now we just have to add in the tree. So let's add an arc here coming down toward the claw. And we'll stop just like that. And then we're going to continue it on the other side right here. And then we're going to continue again down here past the other claw. So it looks like there's one, almost as if it's a continuous arc that goes all the way through, but we're leaving gaps where the claws are. Now we're going to add some U shapes for the leaves. So we'll add a U, and then another U, and then we're going to do a whole series of U's here. So we'll do a bunch of them all in a row. So we'll do a U, and then another U, another U, and you can kind of rotate them as you draw them to make it look like the leaves are going in different directions. And then I'll add another one here. Okay, now we're going to finish off the tree trunk here. We'll add an arc and stop at the ear, or you can do a line. We'll add in another arc here. And let's see, we'll make this one big branch here. We'll just have an arc that goes here. And now we just have to add one more arc right at the bottom. Maybe it goes like right about here. Now you see when I drag my marker across here, I'm not touching the paper, but I'm imagining what this branch would look like if it continued and then went down. So I knew where to place this arc. Okay? Look at our koala bear, everyone. Great job following along. Now what color choices are you going to make when you color in your koala? If you follow along to the end of the video, you'll see what color choices I made. Now what color choices are you going to make though? You can use your imagination and use any colors you want because this is your koala bear. Thanks so much for drawing with me today. If you enjoyed this drawing video, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye! Let's draw with Mr. Mike. For this and other episodes, drawing lessons, activities, and books, please visit drawwithmrmike.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Draw with Mr. Mike channel on YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook. Draw with Mr. Mike. Let's draw with Mr. Mike. D-R-A-W with M-R-M-I-K-E.